May 30th, 2026. An update on the little baby Rosy Bourke that I've been hand feeding since it was 3 days old. Here it is back there, the second one in. It's his first day out in the cage, and the Rubino next to it seems to have befriended it. She's a hen that I think wants to breed, but she hasn't heard it. Let's see, what else do I need to say about it? It is maybe about 6 weeks old. And what I do is I had brought it out and put it in the cage for a few minutes with the other birds, and it scared them in the beginning. And then I took it in the house and brought it out a little later and put it in, and then they were more curious about it. And then I took it in the house, and the last time I brought it out here was about an hour ago, and everybody has stayed calm. And as you could see, that Rubino hen was curious about it. It has flown around the cage. Also, what it has done is it flew into the food dish, or the water dish. And I thought, oh no, I'll have to get it out. It was standing in there, and it took a bath. Its very first bath, and it's just a little fledgling baby. So it's flown around, like I said, but what's going to happen? Well, it's sleepy, but it's fine. It's warm out here. I will take it in at night. I won't leave it out here right now at night for because of the temperature change, but it's about 80 out here, which is fine for it. And I'm hoping as it watches the other birds eat, because I'm still having to hand feed it every 3 hours because it has cut down on the amount of food it wants to take at each feeding. So I'm hoping as it watches the other birds like down feeding in the food dish, it'll get the idea. It has food in its little cage in the house, food and water, but it really hasn't tried to eat it. This should help it. Now what's going on in this cage is, I believe it's this Rubino hen, one of them. My beautiful Rosy Bourke male right there, who's about my oldest bird. He has a white band on one of his legs. He has mated. It's either this hen, I think it's that hen, or that hen. Let me go back. So they're going to go in a separate cage and be paired up. But when I put the baby out here, he was feeding that hen right there. And when they feed a hen too, they're paired. So he appears to be the only male, as I paid attention, in this cage of all these hens. And so he has a little harem. And that's probably why they all get along, is he gets to pick and choose, and they're mostly hand fed in here too. That's why I put the baby in here, because I knew I could pretty much trust these birds. So the baby's sleepy, as you can see, because this is traumatic experience coming out here. It's sleeping, but that's fine. There's no problem with that.